Hi everyone, my name is Laura Portales and I am the author of this book. First of all, I want to thank you for choosing this book and I hope you find it a valuable resource for your human resources management class. Before the start of every chapter, I will be providing a short summary video just to let you know what we're going to be talking about in the specific chapter. My hope is that through use of this video, it will allow you to focus a little bit on the key concepts located within the chapter. So the first thing that I want to talk a little bit about in Chapter 1 is the focus on HRM. HRM stands for Human Resource Management, and we will be using that term throughout the book. Human Resource Management involves a lot of different things, of course, all revolving around human resources. There are 7 main jobs of the human resource manager in any organization, whether that organization be big or small. The first is staffing. So within your organization, you want to make sure that you have enough staff to meet the demands of your organization. And that's definitely a responsibility of human resource management. Setting and creating workplace policies is a second job of human resource managers. So this might be something along the lines of dress code or flex time policies, that type of thing. Human resource managers are also responsible for administering benefits, so things like health insurance, dental insurance for employees, as well as compensation as well, and figuring out appropriate compensation packages for employees. We are also responsible as human resource managers for training. So we know that training, as you'll learn a little bit later on in the book, is a key component to retention in any organization. So figuring out ways to retain employees through benefits or other things is one of the jobs of the human resource manager. The human resource manager also needs to be aware of changing employment laws and worker safety or employee protection. So there are a number of laws that are in place to ensure worker protection, and one of the jobs of the human resource manager is to make sure that those laws are being followed within the organization. When we look at human resource management, there are a lot of skills that are necessary to be successful in human resource management. Some of those skills include really good communication, the ability to multitask, and organization, and of course, really good people skills. So we'll talk a little bit about the types of skills needed to be successful at human resource management within this chapter. We'll also talk a little bit about many of the certifications that you can earn in human resources. And the advantage to these certifications, of course, is that it may give you a benefit when you're applying for jobs in human resource management to show you have the skills and the abilities because you have this particular certification. Finally, we're going to close the chapter out by talking about some of the contemporary issues in human resource management. Some of those issues revolve around cost containment and the need to keep costs down yet productivity high. Of course, there's ever-changing technology, and especially in human resource management, technology is always changing. There are new ways to take care of payroll and manage benefits, and staying on top of these trends is really important. Finally, we'll also talk a little bit about the changing workforce and the retirement of baby boomers and millennials entering the workplace has created a whole new set of challenges for human resource managers in terms of how to motivate a generational workforce. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoy the chapter.